This is the Forbidden Bay. Lightning El Drago is a left-rotating attack Beyblade that released during the Metal Fight generation and is one of the most iconic Beyblades ever to release in the franchise. Because Beyblade is reaching its 25th anniversary, Beyblade X now has released a remake of Lightning El Drago. This remake includes the 160 ratchet and the flat bit. The design of the blade is based on the original El Drago Energy Ring and Fusion Wheel, and because Beyblade X doesn't have the mode change ability as the original, this remake released as a random booster select that allows you to pick one of two blades, the upper blade for uppercuts, or the rapid attack blade for a barrage attack. In the Metal Fusion anime, El Drago was owned by Ryuga, a fan-favorite character and the main antagonist of that season. Lightning El Drago had a special dark power that allowed it to steal the powers of other bays. This made it and Ryuga nearly unstoppable. Ryuga would dub himself the Dragon Emperor and would have a near-perfect win rate throughout the entirety of Season 1, but even he couldn't fully control the dark power within El Drago for long, which is why